Good morning, welcome to another day, another video. It's 7 a.m. May 31st, and let's start. Alright, so good morning again. I woke up pretty late, 7 a.m. for me, it's late. And yeah, let's organize the car and see what's next for us. I don't have any plans for today. Okay, I woke up at 7, now it's 7:50. I'm ready to start, so I'm gonna go down the village for better coverage so I can work. And yeah, when it comes to battery, so I woke up with 44%. That should be good for today, so probably a charging session tomorrow. Let's see, and I will keep you posted regarding this in this video. Yo, let's go. We are driving. I need FSD, for sure. Everything is amazing, but I need FSD. Hey Grok, take me to the nearest Basic Fit gym, please.
Navigating to the nearest Basic Fit gym in La Seine-sur-Mer, about 7 kilometers away. 12 minutes. Let me know if you want another one.
Thank you. Alright, so I've been to the gym, and this is my location right now. This is where, wait, it's still loud. This is where we sleep. This is where I spend the nights. The last few nights I spent here. Probably tonight also, and tomorrow I will be moving. So right now I'm here in the center. I'm done with the gym. As I said. I went to Aldi. I grabbed like a boulangerie products, it's a bakery. So I ate like a croissant. And now I just finished with work and editing. So it is 10:32. And now I need to consult with Grok regarding what is next for me. What should we do? Hey Grok, what should I do? I'm bored.
Head to Plage des Sablettes for a beach walk or swim. It's right nearby. Or check the market this Sunday morning for music and local vibes.
What market?
The main Sunday morning market is the Centerville one on Cours Louis Blanc, open till 12:30, about 2 kilometers away. There's sometimes music there today too.
Is there free parking?
Yes, the Parking du Marché on Rue Jean-Baptiste Martini, near Cours Louis Blanc, offers 4 free hours on Sunday mornings from 8 to noon. Some street spots and other lots, like Espace Marine, are free too.
Take me to the best one. Let's go.
Navigation set to the Marché on Cours Louis Blanc, 2.5 kilometers away, 7 minutes. Let's go.
Let's go. Très merci beaucoup, monsieur. Bye-bye. All right, let's go. On my way to the market, I see a lot of people walking around with orchids. So let's see with Grok. Hey Grok, I see people walking around with orchids today. What happened?
Might be wild orchid season here in southern France. Lots of folks hike and spot them in the countryside this time of year. Could also be from a nearby flower market or local event, like the recent one in the Var area.
That's cool, thanks. So how amazing Grok is, right? You saw the market, beautiful, very authentic, very small, no music, unfortunately. And we will see if Grok was right about the parking, because it seems like I do need to pay. But anyway, beautiful place, beautiful city, very small, very tiny. Yeah, I like it. I'm not sure what is next. It's very hot. I think I will go and look for like a nice beach. So let's see if Grok can help us with that also.
Merci pour votre visite et bonne route.
Ah, merci à vous. Okay, all right. I did not pay. Cool, cool, cool. All right, yeah, cool. Free parking. All right, hey Grok, take me to a nice beach, but I don't want a beach that requires to walk for like 30 minutes in the wild before I get there. Something with free parking if possible, and not a long walk.
Heading to Plage de la Verne, about 3 kilometers away, with free parking right by the beach and no long walk. ETA 12 minutes.
All right, let's do it. Bye. All right, I'm the king of the rock. All right, so thanks to Grok, another beautiful location, free parking. I mean, what more can I ask for? Of course, we need SSD. SSD would be great, but I just love the Tesla nomadic life. I live in my Tesla. I do it in a very, very cheap way, so cheap. And Grok took me to another beautiful location. And once again, I asked him to take me to a beautiful location with free parking, and he delivered. I mean, I just love, this is the French Riviera, by the way. This is the south of France. When you see in the movies, when the wife keeps talking about the south of France, that's part of it. I mean, I think that's the main reason. Food also, I just don't like food. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there, see what we can find. Pam 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 pam. Opa! I almost died. Oh, by the way, if you support Elon Musk and you want one of these shirts, you will see the link in my description. Only if you live in the US you can order it. I do have many other merch, so check it out. If you support Elon Musk, you can't go wrong. And yes, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful location. It's very hot. It is. It's very hot. Of course, I'm gonna go back to the car in like a few minutes. This is what I love to do. When I go to beaches, which I don't really do much because I don't like beaches, but when I do, I like to stay on rocks and stuff like that. I don't like sand. I don't like to take my clothes off. And normally, I'm on the boats. So sailing boats, catamarans, that's what I do. So for me, the sea is actually the water and not the beaches. So yes, the sea is calling me, and this is why I keep coming to the sea. In a few days, as I said before, I will be driving a boat in the Monaco for the Grand Prix. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I will do that for 3 days. All right, let's go back to the car and ask Grok what to do for lunch, because it's noon and I'm hungry. Oof, very hot. I love Tesla so much. I enter the car and of course it's like 32 degrees outside, but it's 21 here because, well, you can see it on the screen. I adjusted the temperature before my arrival. So that's brilliant. Okay, now we need to eat. Let's ask Grok. Grok, I want a good pizza and I need to go to a place with good pizza and parking.
The Piazza looks like a top pick for great pizza with good reviews and likely parking nearby. Garden Pizza Mar Vivo is super close at 700 meters with a perfect rating. Want me to set navigation there or check another?
Just take me to a good one that is open and have good parking.
Taking you to Pizza Pizzeo, Sablets. It's open now. Highly rated. Just 1.4 kilometers away with 6 minutes to arrival. Plenty of street parking around there.
Thank you, bye. All right, I couldn't find a good pizza place with good parking. So, McDonald. Just behind me. I'm gonna grab a chicken or something. All right, I parked the car. I have shade, so I'm not going to kill myself now. And I'm done with McDonald, so it's time to work. It is 1:38, so I have 1 hour of work. Probably I will finish with editing also, and I will be free to do whatever I want after that. So let's do that. Alright, I'm done with work. Now Grok is taking me to a boulangerie, so I'm going to eat something from the bakery, and I will show you. Yeah, well, it was very strange boulangerie, not native. So yeah, going back to the place where I'm spending the night for the last time. Yeah, it's 4 p.m. I'm done with work, I'm done with editing, so I have the entire afternoon for myself, but I'm tired, so we are going up and just chill. Alright, it's 5:30 and I am back in the location where I'm sleeping tonight. Tomorrow I will be leaving probably towards Antibes. So yeah, I'm not doing much. Maybe I'll go for a walk or something. It's still pretty warm outside. So yeah, I'm not sure. Let's blow up the mattress. Let's inflate the mattress. I think you like the time-lapse style. So we will do that in 1, 2, 3. No, I'm kidding. We need to move the chairs and to set everything up. So I'm gonna do that in time-lapse. So good night. And thank you for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Wait, are you still out there? Are you still out there? I forgot something. Shoot. Ugh. You. No electricity, come on. Child left alone detection activated. Okay, I confirm. Let me out. I'm not ready. Bleh.